Okay, very special clip here this morning. So Dad has flown out from Colorado for his 92nd birthday. Today is his birthday. Happy birthday, Dad.
Thank you.
And today is going to be his first ride in our freshly restored Porsche. We got up early. We thought, well, let's get out there before the traffic starts. And look at this. What the heck? Come on. Nothing in the forecast today for rain. This is just terrible. Anyways, well, we'll let this dry out, hopefully. Hopefully this passes over. And we will take this guy out for its first run with Dad. Time to get out. I think.
Hi, Mike.
Okay, so we managed to get some driving in. Let's go ahead and get Dad out of the car here and see what he thinks. What's his first impression? There we go. Go ahead and lift the latch.
I got it.
Lift right here.
Yeah.
There we go. Okay, come on. Great job, Dad. All right, Dad, so what do you think?
Today is my 92nd birthday, and Mike has given me a ride in his Porsche. And our first time.
Porsche, Dad, Porsche.
We've waited a long time for this day. And the horse runs very good. It's a beautiful car, and it's just like brand new. And I'm very, very happy to be part of it.
Yeah, we appreciate all your help, Dad.
I didn't do much, but what I did, I felt...
Oh, yeah, you did. Oh, I remember way back when you were stripping paint. Let's just throw a little clip in there of the days.
That's all I did. I was really good at stripping paint.
Wow, that's stripping paint.
Very good at it.
Great work. We're doing a little bit of a video of you restoring the Porsche, so let's see some work.
Working?
I want to see some work.
Right now he's trying to pull start the engine.
The sound effects are just too much.
I got room to swing a cat in here. Get these side panels off.
Okay, Dad, happy birthday. There's your present.
That was it's a very good birthday present. I appreciate it, Mike. Bye, everybody. Thanks for visiting.
Okay, so special birthday cake here. For those of you who don't know, Dad was one of the best aviation artists, I think, of all time, and also automotive artists. And this one here I have at the house, and this is a replica of some of his finest work. He was in his 40s when he painted this picture, and real famous aviation ace here, World War II, and one of Dad's best pieces.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Len. Happy birthday to you. Yay!
Oh, you gotta blow the candles out.
That's
Another year.
That's why I was saying, make a wish. That's why I was saying.
Blow your candle.
Happy